Welcome to the Ride Reviews. The motorcycle in the image is a Harley Davidson Breakout. Here are some key details about it. Model, Harley Davidson Breakout, Softail Series. Engine, Milwaukee 8117 V-twin. Displacement, 1,923 cubic centimeters. Style, cruiser chopper. Key features. Raked front fork for a stretched chopper look. Big rear tire, 240 mm. Digital gauge integrated into the handlebar. Chrome finish with custom paint options. This bike is known for its aggressive stance, muscular performance and bold styling. It's aimed at riders who want a show-stopping cruiser with strong torque and street presence. Would you like performance specs or price details too? Thanks for watching the video.